Yeet, 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 yeet. It's early. Why am I awake? So Fridays are my days to cook, and because I'm gonna be out all day and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get home till late, I literally had to wake up and start cooking within like 5 minutes. So this is probably like the earliest I've had to make a meal. I think that wasn't like toast or something. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not trying to make it better, but that's about the cooking. Today is a very, very special day for me. I am about to go to my first ever Comic-Con. I've never been. I've always wanted to go. Like for years now, I've wanted to go. I'm super excited. I went to EGX the other day. I'm sure some of you guys may have seen the vlog from EGX. And of course, because we're going Comic-Con, you get another vlog. What makes this like extra special is the fact that I never really expected to go as a content creator. I've been lucky enough to secure another content creator pass for the event, and it's kind of surreal. And you guys are gonna see some pretty faces, of course. You guys know a vlog from me usually means a cameo from some of your other favorite creators as well. Now it's about, I probably should have checked the time before I did this, right? Awkward, because this clock doesn't actually work. Okay, just past 10:45, so I need to leave in like 10 minutes to get there for 12. I need to charge my phone, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you guys for now. And yeah, see you when I'm on my way. Good morning, my neighbors. It's Cascande.
Stop it.
Mama, we made it. I feel like I live here, man. I've been to EXO too many times. Please be thinking I'm gonna leave with a Funko Pop. I'm leaving with some Cheetos. Okay, we are officially on day 2 of. It is officially day 2 of Comic-Con. Try to get me. Well, yeah, might as well say it now. I'm with Jazina again. You guys are so lucky. You got her in like pretty much all of my vlogs. Literally every single one. Come on. So apparently, guys, she has some challenges for us today. I didn't know about this before I met her. Would you like to tell the people what the plan is?
Yes. Challenge 1. We are getting me a hoodie because I am not dressed for hoodie. And then Sky's gonna get one.
Yeah.
We're going to meet 10 people that we know. And we have to air high five 3 people each that we don't know.
Yeah. It sounds like a plan. I think that's pretty easy. She has no faith in us. I have faith. Also, you may see a vlog from Miss Jazina Plays. Please follow her on all platforms and be ready to turn on her post notifications so you do not miss when that comes out. Thank you very much. We have updated the challenge. It's no longer air high fives. We are now doing whoever holds the most items of other people's cosplay wins. I think you've seen this 3-1 up. I'm losing. I'm losing. I got one. I love this. Alright guys, it's 2-1. Amazing. I love it.
It's 6-1 soon as well.
I met Klaus today. This sword is huge. Guys, we found Gwen. This is number 1 out of 10. Let's go. A wild lazy gamer. He needs some limelight because this is just everything. Guys, it's not about the size of the hammer. Alright, it's the one that holds it.
Pop up on these cans like you the Batman. You just wanna ball out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone. I'm just talking comfort.
Day 2 is so much more busy. Alright, so me and Jazina have bothered like, I don't know, 12 people to hold their stuff. And she's literally just found another one. She's definitely winning. We are currently struggling to find more people we know. We've seen 2, which is great. But I mean, we thought this would be easy.
Take it into the drip like a pavana.
We have officially finished our Comic-Con adventure. I can't lie to you, we got hungry. Like, we got super hungry. Managed to conquer Comic-Con again. This is my first time coming here. I'm happy that I've experienced it for 2 days. Ready to go home and sleep. I'm tired. And it was a success, guys. We were leaving here with about 3 postcards, some lollipops. And that's about it. Like, I think I did well. I didn't spend crazy. I didn't spend crazy money. I appreciate everybody for watching. And catch me in my next vlog. Everybody say bye to the beautiful Miss Jazina Clays as she stares into the distance.
Thank you, Nikki. I love you.